One. Hi guys, I've been looking at the community tab and I've been looking at what people want to watch, and one of the things is a bit more live trading. So I've got a Friday's option expiry. We trade that live in the free open room. A lot of people from YouTube sign up and come and trade with me live. It's all free. You can do that every month. Just look at the link below and sign up. But however, we did options expiry on Friday. So again, recorded all live. We made between 2 and 3%, depending who hung on to the trade the longest, and it took 12 minutes. If you want to learn how to make some money every single month and how to trade this, well, watch this video. It's about 12 minutes long, and on the end of the video you'll see a link to a longer session. The longer session is what we actually did in the open trade for around about half an hour. We won on FTSE options expiry, we won on the DAX, we won on crude, we won on gold. You can have a look at all that, all recorded live, unfettered. It's probably about 40-minute video, something like that. This one is 12. So if you want to learn how to trade and you want a new technique, make sure you watch right to the end. At the end of the video, there will be a link that you can click to watch the full-blown event. So hopefully you'll enjoy it, and if you do enjoy it, please don't forget, support the channel. Please like and subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll do a lot more. Don't forget the community tab. If you want to suggest anything for me to do, I will do that, no problem at all. Cheers guys, bye-bye. Right, so what we're looking at today is we've got options expiry this month. It's April, June is triple witching next month, so that should be a huge trade, but this is still should be a good trade. The ATR today is 8.3, so we're going to kind of round that to, what should we round that? Should we round it down or round it up? We'll round it down to 8. So we're using the ATR today of 8 pips. So what we're looking for is between 10 past 10, 3 minutes time, and 10:15, the market's at spike. 8 pips in either direction. So let's just put me tool on so we're ready. 8 pips. So what we're looking for here is 8 pips. So again, as per normal, at 10 past 10, you'll be looking for a sell order, a sell limit if the market spikes up into here, and then a second sell limit if the market spikes into here. Okay, that's what we're looking for. If the market comes hurtling down, then we're going to buy again and then buy again. We may get 8 pips, we may not. You can't hang around. You have got to be decisive with this trade. I tell you, we can put it into a 20-second ticker. We'll make it more exciting. And here we are. So you can see the moment we're bobbing around the camera, breakout short area, and just a recap on what we're doing. I suppose I could make these a little bit larger so you can actually see them a wee bit better. Right, we'll do that to 4, that to 4, all of so it's nice and thick, so you can't miss them. So we're going to squish this down a bit. There's the close, the gap. We closed the gap this morning. It was already closed this morning. Market comes screaming straight up to the gap and come down. So a few seconds to go. I'm going to grab this. We're going to get ready with this trade. 10 seconds to go. I'm going to follow this as close as I can. 8 seconds to then we're going to drop this, and then we're going to wait for that spike. It's close enough. If we get this trade, that's it, we're in there for a spike up to sell that spike. If we get Oh dear, that'll be a bit disappointing if that doesn't hit. Oh yeah, we got triggered in there. And the second 15% ATR will be up here, there. So we're in the first position now. So at the moment now, we've got 5 minutes where all options and futures contracts expire within a 5-minute period. As you know, if you want to read about all that information, there's about 5-6 page document that tells you the technicalities on the FTSE exchange on how, why this happens, and it's in your strategy folder. Has anybody read the options expiry technical paper that I put in? No,
Yeah, I would have read it, Steve.
Yep.
You read it?
Yeah, I have done in the past, but not today.
All right, yeah, it's good to know there's some more nerds in the room, not just me. It's easy enough. The strategy is easy enough to learn, isn't it? Understanding why it happens is a little bit different, right? You need to be thinking on crude at the moment. Crude's going through the floor, and you are absolutely quids in at the moment on crude. You might want to think about taking some profit off the table. I won't switch over because we are recording this live, and it'd be nice to record a FTSE expiry trade again. I used to record these every single month, but I haven't been recording them. I think I recorded last month. I should have recorded the divvy trade and left the recording on Wednesday because that's coming great. And the Dow 36 pip, the 36X on the Dow worked particularly well as well, in screaming up and screaming down. So that was great. 5 minutes to go was a 44 pip rally, which was quite easy. Right. So I'm just thinking of what should we do with those. I've got some Germany calls. So the calls we did this morning are well into the money with this rise up. If you want to close some puts off now, then you can. Not some puts, some calls. The calls are up, and they're doing well. I'm just going to take a call off now. Can I? No, it's trying to do too many things at once. I'm going to close the call, the 8420 call. So just close the 8024s. I think I'll leave the rest on. And bought the German DAX as well. The German calls 18690 on the DAX calls. I'm leaving those in as well. I did walk the dog on the Germany DAX index as well on a 15-minute bar. I don't know if anybody else did. Right, 14 minutes. We'll have a quick look at that after we've finished, but we've got less than 1 minute to go on expiry. So I think when expiry is finished, we'll put our stops in. Market's coming down quite nicely. 8 pips for the first one, bang, 1% in the bag. Very nice indeed. And we're looking for another one. I know some people might compound the trades, but I think I'll just, what I will do now, I'll put an 8 pip stop up here as well. And what will, in the sequence, the scenario is we already made 1% coming down. We've now got a 8 pip stop, which means if it all reverses on us, it's completely risk-free. This trade is completely risk-free. And we do expect it to come down back to the point of origin where we set off down here. That would be nice for a cheeky 2% trade. I think, are you compounding this, Jeff? Are you letting the second trade run?
I'm still got both of them running.
Yeah, yeah, you absolutely can do to make more money. Yeah, there's no problem making extra money. It's always nice.
I lost on the DAX this morning, so I'm thinking I just want to hold this one for a bit longer.
Yeah. Again, so what we're going to do here, we're 0.5% up to 1.5% totally. What we're going to do, we're going to move this stop down to plus 0.4 now. In fact, we could follow the fractal 26, 28, 28.3. So we can follow some of these. Actually, we could follow this fractal down, to be fair, which is 27. So we're back 1%, and the risk we have here now is what's the risk we've got now? We've got 2.7 divided by 8, 0.33% risk on this trade, and we've banked 1, so we cannot lose. The worst case scenario is we're going to make 0.67%. Well, happy days. That's what we want to do. Down, as you know, this trade can take a couple of minutes. It can take half an hour. You know, if we'll zoom out of this 20-second look now, bring it back. You can see a massive Fibonacci indecision candle here. We're expecting this to return to sender. Let's move in a little bit with 15 minutes. You can see market on expiry spiked all the way up into the daily pivot and rejected completely, and we're looking for the market to come back down. We're over halfway there, so halfway there, our rules, stop to entry. Our worst scenario now is we'll make 1% profit. Our best scenario, individually trading, would be 2%. Or 3% if you kept both trades on, which is not bad for 10 minutes work. Back in at 5 minutes, so there we are. We're looking for this market to come back all the way back down to here and give us a couple of cheeky percent. So we're back on again at 10:45, looking at the fractal bots. Got a bit carried away. You've now got 13 pre-coded bots and a bot screener to tell you when to put the bots on, and a document that goes into minutiae detail on the management of the bots, etc. So I want to go through with everyone in the trading room who's got them, so you're quite comfortable in managing them and trading them. And then I'll open it up to a wider community who get the benefit of using fractal trading as well. So there we go. That was a nice, easy 2%, and that took 12 minutes. If you held on, trade was from here down to the point of origin. Second trade was from here down to the point of origin. That was a nice 3%. If you'd done the initial 1-to-1, that's your first 1%. This one was 1% there, and then the second one was another 1% there. So nice and easy, recorded. So this will go into the live recording event. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, and it helps my channel. Thank you.